Choose a table fan with lower wattage, efficient BLDC motor, strong airflow, and a good energy efficiency rating. Lower power means lower electric.
A table fan converts electrical energy into mechanical energy to rotate its blades and produce airflow. The power consumption of a table fan depends on its motor size, speed setting, and design. A typical conventional table fan may consume around 40 to 60 watts, while modern energy efficient can consume considerably less. The actual power rating is usually printed on the fan's nameplate or specification label. For example, if a table fan consumes 50 watts and operates for 8 hours, per Dalton Y, its daily energy consumption is 400 watt. You can reduce the energy consumption of a table fan by using the lowest comfortable speed, switching it off when it is not needed, and choosing an energy-efficient model.
Choose a table fan with lower wattage, efficient BLDC motor, strong airflow, and a good energy efficiency rating.